First thing first, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? So please subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're our normal subscriber, welcome back. You're all welcome back to my channel. So today is a very sunny, beautiful day. It's spring and I'm so excited. Yeah, because I can dress like this and I can also walk and take a walk. Yeah, I can also take a walk, random ones, early in the morning. The birds are chirping. There's a breeze. Oh my god, it just feels heavenly to be this to feel this amazing, you know. Yeah, after let's say 9 months of super cold, and you know, from is it fall? Yeah, actually when it's fall all the way to winter, it's about, let's say, 8 months of super cold and just staying indoors. So today I'm so excited and I can't wait to do this vlog with you outside. I mean, if the wind is going to cooperate, then I'll do that. So let's dig in and start the video. Bye. Okay, so let's dig in on this. Yeah, somebody was just passing by. I didn't know it's hard to shoot outdoors than indoors. So on this episode, it's our first episode for after the introduction thumbnail that you saw before. And on this episode, we want to first start with choosing school. So how do you know that this is the best school that you want to choose, or that you want to study for your for the course that you want to take? And I'll take you through this process so that you can be able to know the right school for you to choose when you want to study abroad. Okay, now we found a perfect spot to shoot this video, and let's go into the first thing you have to consider is the type of school you want to join. Is it going to be a public school or is it going to be a private school? Personally, I went to a private school, so I'm not so much familiar with what happens with the public school, but truth be told, both schools are quite nice. Just that sometimes they have, public school have more like adventures or more things compared to the private schools. They offer a lot, but still education is all equally the same. So you have to you have to know the school you want to join, either public or private, and at the same time you have to check if they offer the course that you want to take. So, and you have to also know, because they might offer the courses that you want to take, but you have to be keen if it's English intake or Polish. Yeah, so these are the two different things that you have to put into consideration, because you might find a school, but the courses they offer are in Polish. Unless you want to learn the Polish language to take the course, then that's going to be convenient for you. But if you really want to study in English but on the same school, just be careful. Check if they offer the course and if the course is convenient for you to take it in English. Yeah, so this is what you have to consider first. And after that, the next thing you have to know is you can also compare the prices depending of the courses that you take. I tend to think that they might be quite different depending on the school that you want to go. And also you have to know that if the school performs so well, and what city you want to take this course in, the school. Because what I know is they have like one major school, but it's on different regions of the country. So you can find, let's say, private school A, it has a branch in different cities. Could be Warsaw, could be Wrocław, could be Poznan, different cities. So you also have to check if the city that, if this is the city you want to go to, I'll say that Warsaw is good, but it's a city, but the biggest city, the capital city, and it's so, I don't know, people have different taste and preferences. So personally, that's a big city for me. I don't want to stay in a congested city, so I'll prefer a different city, a city but not that big as the capital city. So that's another thing that you also need to consider. And apart from that, you have to also note that is this city that you're going so diverse? Does it have a lot of international students? Because where there's a lot of international students, it's going to be easy for you in terms of your mental health, because you don't want to be in a place that you're the only international student and communication is hard for you, and even interaction, going out, just the social life, it's gonna be hard for you. So you have to see or check if there are quite a bigger population for international students. That, apart from studies, you also have to consider your social life. So this is also going to be one of the major things that you have to check before deciding that this is the school I want to choose for myself. You get? Yeah. I hope up to that point you understand. And have you subscribed? Man, please subscribe. It's really getting hot and more warm, because the sun it's above the head. Yeah, so that's the thing. So one more last thing that you have to consider, that you need to consider when you're selecting a school, please check if they do offer scholarships. Sometimes schools tend to offer scholarships, like depending on your performance. So if you really do well, perform so well, they do offer you scholarships from the second semester. So please check if they do offer this, and at the same time get to know if they offer Erasmus programs, because these Erasmus programs tend to help you explore Europe at no cost, at zero cost. The school offers you all the fee, all the money, all the finances to cater for your abroad education in terms of Erasmus. Could be for work or could be for internship. Yeah, so this is the best thing about this program. Yeah. And one more last thing, there are schools that do have scholarships. You can also check. I know one for Nawa. Yeah, Nawa. But Nawa is written in Nawa for Polish. For English, it's pronounced Nawa, but in Polish, it's Nawa. So this is a public scholarships that are offered to students who want to study abroad. But keep in mind that you have to learn the language for these scholarships. First year is for language, and then after that you have to join in the course you want to do in Polish. Yeah, so that's the difference about that. Anything else that you have to put into consideration? Yeah, be careful with the city. There are cities or town, you might end up in a town and it might be hard for you. So I would recommend a city that has so many international students, like I said before, so that it's going to be easier for you. Apart from studies, you also have to consider your mental and your social life. So please take consideration of that. I mentioned that earlier on, and I've also repeated that. And it's going to be easier for you. So get to the website, search for schools. There are there are polytechnics and also there are private institutions. Most are in Polish languages, but tend to, you know, Google there, you will see them, and yeah, join the schools. They are so nice. I don't know if I can give a shout out, but one is WSB. You can search on the WSB. They're private schools, and I know the polytechnics. So yeah, those are the two major ones that. And there are also, is it logistics schools? So many schools. Just be careful on the website. Check the school. Check what they offer. Check if they're convenient for you, and choose. And choose what suits you best. Okay. Subscribe. We have come to the end of this video. That's it for today. I hope this has helped you, and it has been educative for you. So I will try and link up some of the schools that might be convenient for you. If not, please do more research. Check on the website. Ask some of the international students. Ask if their schools are good, and see if you can join in yourself. And that's all for this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. We are going to talk more about other stuff like accommodation, like how to get indulged into the process after you have known the school you want to study. And yeah, it will be helpful for you. I hope so. And that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you haven't shared, what are you waiting for? Please comment down below if you want to know more, if you want me to help you with more that I didn't tackle about. So this is how you are even going to know more, because I can't even tell or everything that is in your mind that you want to know. So please comment down below. Let me know what's troubling you, how I can help you. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, remember to subscribe, remember to share this video, and remember to join in on the new episodes that will be dropping every Wednesday for you, to make it easier for you if you want to join this country, Poland. So adios, and see you next time on the new episode. Remember to subscribe. Bye.